and you get down the bowl. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen to the Mona Line, to Louisiana Saturday.
Harper, does that look good?
You are 5 minutes into the hike and already reconsidering
Huh?
awkward moment when you have spent 5 minutes aggressively hunting a shadow only for a pink pen to ruin your entire...
Ella va bien.
You want to wake up and start your day, but your internal battery is still at 0% and even a line to the face can't jumpstart your system. You realize the door is closed, but your physical form is 90% liquid and 10% parkour. Just split second between is for me and total tactical snack acquisition. Witness the precise moment. Your dog realizes that if he washes the human, he might finally get to use the good towels. Your friend says they have a plan to get rich, but the plan is just robbery and the victim has way more backup than you expected.
I'm so sorry.
看看这里边有多少 A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9。
Moment when the measuring tape reveals you are exactly 3 snacks wider than you were last Tuesday. Your cat thinks you have 0 battery, but your friend is still at 100 and trying to drag you to the after party. This puppy has officially reached his step goal for the year and is now accepting applications. Your dog thinks he is a golden retriever, but he is actually a golden potato rolling down a hill. Your tail has more rhythm than your owner. Really thought he was in an action movie for a second there until the floor reminded him of his true identity as a dramatic potato. You're the only one in the friend group who actually brought snacks.
God, what is that? Oh my God!
The mouse sensitivity is set to 100, but the cat sensitivity is set to... Your package says out for delivery, but you are the delivery.
Somebody's ready for...
You overestimate your... You ordered a Pikachu on Wish, but the budget only covered the fruit bowl.
No, he's gonna make it.
You accidentally walk into a room and harness is on, but the brain is currently out of the. Trying to act natural when my crush walks by, but I accidentally glitch into a pretzel. Brain cell has left the chat. Loading failed. 404 orange behavior.
Wee. Wee. Wee.
Your human turns on the loud wind machine and you have to personally oversee the safety inspection to ensure your fur remains aerodynamic. He tries to be a responsible plant parent and water the bonsai my dog, and I took that personally. The cat thinks it's a hat, but the dog is already over the entire outfit.
That's right.
There you go.
You drop the bowl but still expect a 5-star review. You accidentally touch a button.
Vai, vai que eu faço pra trabalhar todo dia de manhã. Vê se eu aguento uma coisa dessa.
Kitten is out here training for the Olympics with a high-intensity bubble popping session. He is locked in with